everyone, it's Tammy, and it's time to do my personal plan with me. So this is my personal planner that I use for my Stampin' Up! And for my YouTube. And I am going to be planning the week of July 23rd through 29th. And I am going to use a cute county fair sticker set that I have gotten, I think at Michael's probably last year or maybe even the year before. This is one of those dollar sticker sets where there's 3 different pages of stickers and then they like repeat. So there's 2 of each that are the same, and I don't know, I just thought it was really cute. And it is county fair season, so I think I'm going to use this green one just because it's kind of sticking out to me. And I picked out these different washies. I don't know, I kind of like those 2 together, the lemons, and this reminds me of a picnic, but I like the strawberries with that too. So I don't know, maybe I'll use both. And I think I'm going to put the lemons going this way. And you know what, maybe I will. Maybe I'll do lemons and strawberries, like a lemon strawberry or strawberry lemonade. That's always good. So if I did a strawberry there and a strawberry there, I could do a lemon here again. And lately I've just been using cutesy stickers that I have at home that I've had in my stash for who knows how long, and I'm just using it up and trying to have some fun with this planner, and I'm really liking it, and you guys seem to like it too, so I am glad of that. I sometimes will use kits, but it's been so much fun just sticking some things down because I don't really have lots of things that I put in this planner. I use the monthly view to put down all of my YouTube information, like when I post what, but inside I don't look at it too much, honestly. Taz. Hey. Taz, stop the licking, Mr. Magoo. I love you. Silly boy. I think that's cute. It's maybe not the best I've ever done, but it's cute. For whatever reason, I like the lemons better for this one than I do the strawberries. But I wanted to use the strawberries because there's strawberries in the kit, and I can incorporate them in here too. In the kit, it's not a kit, in the sticker set. And I want to put this down in the middle. I think that looks pretty cute, and it'll even look better as soon as I get some critters on there. And I do have to apologize, I didn't post anything for last month's collab, and I haven't even talked to my friends about this month's collab, so kind of slacking in that, but oh well. I'm going to put, I like this bird with eaten the cherry pie, it looks like. So I'm going to put that down here. And cow. And a little lamb. Or sheep. I don't know. I don't even know the difference, really. Oh, that's probably not a good thing to admit, is it? Strawberry lemonade. And here's a strawberry with some lemonade, so I'll do the same thing on this side. And I need a little piggy. Little Piggly Wiggly. And a puppy. And maybe a ribbon. And a pie. Oh, here's a billy goat. I don't think I had a billy goat. And I think I have, oh, I don't have a chick. I need to put the chick up there. Okay, I think I've covered enough stickers. So let me get my pen out and let's write some things. I caught up on comments, so that's good, but I need to keep on with them. Comments. And then I need to still do some coffee recipes. I haven't done that yet because I've been so busy with, I had another death in the family. So my cousin passed away on Saturday and we are going to his funeral. So that's crazy. I would like to do a one-sheet wonder. And this day my son goes to IU and I have this red and white. So I'm just going to put that here. And I think that's all I'm going to put on this one for now because I don't think I'm going to get a lot of other stuff done this week. I think it will be mostly just prepping for Alex and getting him where he needs to be. And that is that. That turned out really cute, I think. I love that, and I love that it's the county fair season. So maybe you guys will go to a county fair. Maybe we will. I haven't been to a county fair for a little while. The state fair is close, so we will sometimes go to that, but I haven't been to either for a little bit. So there we go. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.